She shed, playhouse. It's the she shed right here. She shed, you see that? I ran the piece of number 6.3 from the panel here on the 50 amp breaker. And this is from the she shed. That cord is running to a panel inside the she shed. The homeowner locked the she shed. I can't even get back in there to show you guys how to, watch it come on. But look, you see it's a light on the porch. Bam. See inside there if you can. It's a fan, a few outlets, Shit pretty sweet, man. I'm gonna get my old lady this, man. Playhouse right here. That's what me and bro doing now. We're fitting to get this hooked up and done and getting this out the way right now. You guys can watch me hook up these wires. But right now we hooking up the playhouse and shit. And we gonna get this thing energized up. Then after I hook this up, I'm gonna go back up inside and patch a hole that I cut, to get that 6.3 in there for the she shed. And then just overlook everything and make sure things straight. Shoot, collect and go. Told you guys she gonna get shot. I put the tags on them. Tags on there right here. As I did. You say, how much you charging? Do this just like so. This is UF. This is 14 UF wire right here. Underground wire. Direct barrier wire. You don't have to put it in a piece of pipe. You don't got to do nothing. You could just bury it directly in the ground. Yep. You just bury this wire directly in the ground. So right here, I'm about to make some splices. Right now, I'm gonna put some nice underground wire nuts on this thing and put some underground tape around this thing. One conductor at a time. Yeah, man, I told you guys yesterday, man, my last vid, not my last vid, but my vid earlier yesterday, I told you guys, man, I'm just waiting on that call, man. It was a slow week. Slow week, man. Ain't get no calls, man. All I had was one call, and that was Tuesday, just to, hang a floodlight, and, go, do something I really don't do. But a lady, my neighbor called me and told me that, he knew a lady that said her faucet was leaking. And, I'm a jack of all trades. So her water spigot outside was leaking. So, I ran over there to do that. And, shoot, that was just tightening up a screw. But luckily, it was in the neighborhood that I was working in already. You know what I'm saying? So, even if I wanted to, just try to charge and eat off of it, I couldn't have. Because she was like, man, you got here so fast. And like I was already right there. Then all I did was tighten up a screw. And 5 minutes, I charged her $25. So nothing too much. Bro right there, he helped me out today. I helped him, he helped me. It's gonna be a never-ending cycle. It's gonna always be like that. I pay him better than he pay me, though. I pay him way better than he pay me. He got kids, though. I ain't got no kid right now. So he can eat. that shit real good. Gotta get some move dirt on that one. Filling this dirt, this trench back in. This is what we do, man. We work, man. We come on here and work, man. We workers, man. We already snow. Filling this trench back. And this is for this playhouse out here for the kids. She got a playhouse for her kids. Well, I think she already had it, but she moved over here, so. She had to bring it with her. Yep, right there. Playhouse. Playhouse. Let's go inside the playhouse. It's still open. Look, it's the playhouse. When I get the power hooked up, you're gonna see this stuff come on. It's the playhouse. It's the playhouse. This the front. That's just the front door. Outlet, see the kids stuff. Back door. It's a light up here. That's a strip light. These are fluorescent lights right there. We'll make those come on here in a minute. Let's go around to the front of this. Let's go to the front of it. That's the porch. That's the porch. It's the playhouse. And she said sometimes she need to get away. So this is hers. This is her she shed. This is her she shed. Almost like a mini house. That's her she shed. That's already hooked up off this. This is coming off the she shed. It's a panel inside the she shed, and that's what's energizing this panel. That's SO cord. And this is what I mounted to power that thing up. See that? Yeah. Right now, bro filling the trench back in. We just ran our line up under the ground. He back filling it. He back filling. See that? Now, let's hook it all the way up. Hey. And what I'm gonna do is drill this hole down. I'm about to drill a hole. With my gun I was telling you boys about. I kill jobs. I don't kill folk. Oh, my drill working back right. Thank you. Now I'm gonna drill down real quick. I thought I left a bit. Did I leave a drill bit in there? I thought I left a bit.
That's exactly what snakes do.
Shit. I left my drill bit in here. So that did. I hope it ain't. I'm about to be up. Oh, there you go. I'm about to be up out of there anyway. Yeah. My drill still acting. Yeah, slide some more dirt on top of that bitch and pack some more. Goddamn. I'll take some of this shit down there, really pack down that in. My drill fucked up. Well, I hope your drill can drill holes. Probably, man.
What happened?
I hope your drill can drill holes. Cause mine don't. You got a weak old drill? My shit fucked. Yeah, I got a dead battery, so we're gonna have to see what I can make happen. Get a hole drill. I don't know how the hell my drill get fucked up, but my gun. Said I gotta go buy another gun. Man, my shit jam, nigga. Hey, my little weapon jam. Hey, I gotta go buy me a new pistol grip. I need to go get me that new 40 watt. That new 40 watt pistol grip. I need to go get that 40. Oh, my brother got a weak ass pistol. His pistol weak. That damn pistol weak as a motherfucking nigga. That shit ain't like mine, but I'm gonna hold his shit up. I'm gonna floss his pistol like y'all be doing y'all bullshit. I'm about to go kill this nigga real quick. I'm mad. I'm gonna smurder this nigga. Yeah, I need that. I'm back around. Yeah, I need to sip that shit. Damn. Hey, oh bad. YouTube. You ain't got no charger for that motherfucker. Where that shit at? You got no charger for that?
Huh?
You got no charger?
Huh?
You got no charger for that? Nah, nigga. So that's it. Battery dead trying to drill down in the existing shed. with power in there to drill down. But the battery's dead, so we can't get down. So I can get the wire under the shed, so I can get it underground. You know what I'm saying? To get a feed for the playhouse. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know what this. I mean, I guess they could still use that if they wanted to for the generator, but that don't need to be on. I mean, I guess this is a generator plug, but right now I ain't even got it hooked up. I mean, if they need it, just go in there and turn that bitch on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know why my drill boggling up like that. But what's the reason for that? I don't understand why it's doing that. Man, why am I shit doing that? Can't go up on the set. You gotta go up on the left. That's a whole rotten ass shit. Nigga rigging like shit. Shit like that. Shit like that. Shit like that. Still need to charge that bitch up to do this shit in the damn house. Screw the fucking sheetrock back. Yeah, got the battery to do that. Alright, man, I'll be back, man, to show you the ass end of this thing, man. Bump on the road. Easy bump.